Hey guys, we'll be drawing Buttercup from PowerPuff Girls. We'll get started with an oval for the head, and then 2 circles for the eyes, and then an arc on top for the hair, then circles inside of the eyeball, and the mouth is a U, and then the side of the hair will be curved and pointed, and she has her arms crossed, so that will be an infinity sign, and then her body is slanted to one side, so we make 2 bumps on the bottom for the feet and then 3 lines for the dress. Let's just go over with marker and color in the hair, the inside of the eyes, the shoes, and the middle part of the dress. Now for the fun part, color her however you want, but I'm going to color her green and then give her a little tan. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and if you would like to see more videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!